All right, welcome back. Today we're going to be making one of the easiest balloons and most popular with the children, the kids these days, the balloon sword. So guess what? We're going to blow up our balloon and we're going to blow it up pretty much all the way.
Yeah.
You can leave a little bit if you want. It's for like a little tip.
My balloon matches the background.
Oh. It's a good time when you're blowing these things up to like hit the kids in the face with the balloon. Once we have this, we're going to make a large flower petal so that there's a nice little hole here.
Oh, right away, okay.
Yeah. And twist. You can lock it in place if you'd like. Usually it doesn't come undone. Now that we have that, you can make 3 bubbles, 5 bubbles. You're making like the guard of the handle.
No bubbles at all?
Or no bubbles at all. I like to make 3 bubbles because it gives it a little bit more of a shape.
Oh, your bubbles are not the same size.
Yeah, I like to make this middle bubble a little bit bigger, depending on the kid's fist. So that's my handle, and then I just.
Here, just go through.
Sorry.
This go through.
Yeah, and then you put it through. And then you can shape the sword whichever way you want. I like to make a little curve, like a cutlass. Oh, splat, splat, splat.
Okay,
Yeah.
ready? Slow motion.
Endless fun. Oh,
You're gonna bend.
go ahead. Sorry.
There's some
Gotcha.
block. Okay, balance. Be careful.
Oh, of course.
Oh.
Trying to get it in the shot of the camera. Good job.
Sword.
That's the sword. Really
Sort of.
easy. Sort of. Good one. Yeah, kids want this all the time, and it's one of the easiest things that you can make. So you might as well learn it and enjoy it.
If you're twisting balloons, this would be the 90% of what you would make.
Yeah.